God. Ay! Pokemon. Hey guys! So today we are gonna do an unboxing for Spider-Man. It's my second collector's edition. Actually, with no further ado, I just want to show you guys what's inside the box for the Spider-Man collector's edition. This is gonna be like my first time of unboxing it. I not unboxed it earlier when I got this from Datablitz. Nakuha ko siya for 8.9 and then it was discounted. I was not sure kung bakit siya discounted before. Pero from 8.9, nag-deposit ako ng 2,000. Sobrang hirap mag-deposit. Actually, sobrang hirap ipa-reserve na to. Kasi like everyone was on the hype and nag-uunahan sila. So, as usual, it's a collector's edition. Every fan will want to have it. Actually, hindi naman ako super like #1 fan of Spider-Man, but I'm a huge fan of the whole Marvel Cinematic Universe, and I like collecting stuffs, especially if it's a collector's edition for PlayStation. I would buy it, and then I'd invest on it. Habang tinitignan ko siya, nare-realize ko na ang mahal-mahal pala nito. Ganun lang. Anyway, and also for the new people who's been watching my channel, I know you guys have been waiting for something that's more style and fashion related, pero I don't do that anymore. I'm more into minimalism. Minimalist, pero bumili ako ng Spider-Man, diba? I'm just not into fashion anymore. Tumatanda na tayo. So, parang gusto ko mag-iba ng hobbies. Toy collecting. If you guys are familiar with Advocate Pinoy, he's one of the YouTuber I look up to. He has a lot of toys before. He's been reviewing toy collections and a lot of that. It's been something that I really want. I wanted to collect a lot of Funko Pops, Nendoroids, and special editions for PlayStation. Dun ko gusto mag-focus ngayon. Collecting toys and limited editions. Yep! Let's do the unboxing. Because I'm really excited to install this. Gusto ko na siya buksan kanina pa. Oh my God, how do you open this? It's wrapped in a plastic. Sobrang sealed siya. Datablitz asked me earlier if I want it to check what's inside first, but I don't want to ruin the suspense. So I want to open it myself for unboxing. The box is really small. Medyo mabigat siya because of the toy inside. Yes, so the box is really nice. I'm gonna slice this. It has a sticker here on top, if you guys can see. Behind it is like stuff that says here, when a new villain threatens New York City, Peter Parker and Spider-Man. Oh, by the way, what sucks with this version is I got a region, an Asian region edition. This is not R1, pero taghirap na tayo dahil sa inflation rate tumaas. Doon tayo sa mura. Kasi dahil ang mahal-mahal ng R1, ang mahal ng US edition, it's like double the price because of shipping and taxes. The collector edition comes with the full PS4 game, steelbook, and it has a figure of Spider-Man, which is a huge spoiler. By the way, if you guys haven't played Spider-Man for PlayStation 4, then let me warn you, this is gonna be a huge spoiler. I haven't played it myself, but I've already seen all the other unboxing. It's okay, it's just a spoiler. I'm still gonna play this game anyway. It also comes with the DLC voucher, so it comes with a code, and it also comes with the mini art book. I actually want the bigger art book. Here's a surprise freebie from Datablitz. They also gave me a fig pin of Spider-Man. Enough rambling, let's start and cut this sticker off. Ang ganda! It's high quality. The printing is high quality. The box is high quality. It's just not made of simple paper. So we're gonna take this off. Out of the box. Baka masira. It's not easy. Oh my God. Pokemon. The box is made out of cardboard.
Wow!
A note that says, warning, contains spoilers, do not open until story complete. So if you haven't played the game or if you haven't completed the game yet, there's a code here, which I won't show. The DLC code is in here. And then next is, it also has a sticker of Spider-Man, the mini art book. So most likely they're gonna sell the hardbound. Let me show you what's inside the book. The mini art book that comes with the collector's edition. It has game design, character development, and it also talks about all the villains and all the characters. Even has all the logo and signs that you can see around New York. The only downside in collecting the collector's edition is that you get a mini version of the art book that you can actually buy separately. So All games comes with an art book that comes in a bigger size. If you're a person who likes to collect game books and art books, I would just suggest you to get the game and then buy the art book separately. It also comes with the limited edition steel case. So inside the limited edition steel case is the CD and then the voucher code for the DLC, and it's really nice. It's made out of steel. And as usual, all collector's edition all collector's edition comes with the steelbook. The moment I opened the package, I actually inserted it in my PlayStation 4. So you can see that inside of the steelbook that the disc is not in it. I'm already installing it. And the next is the toy. So let me show you what it looks like. It's huge. It's so nice that you can display it. So this is the toy that comes with wine. Oh my god, it's heavy. It has a metallic finish to it. They did a good job with the statue of Spider-Man. It's actually more of a statue than a figure because it's not that articulated. You can't really play around with it. And the only thing you can do with it is just display and adore it from afar while playing the game. And then after looking at it, you can then say that you spent so much for this. Some of the paint has a metallic finish, especially with Scorpion, and you can see Spidey defeating Goblin and Rhino as well. And if you take a closer look, you can see that it has an excellent paint job. So this is worth the money I paid for. It's 10 out of 10 for that Spidey groin shot.
Wow!
It's a huge spoiler, as you guys can see. So yep, that's it for the unboxing. This is just like a quick unboxing. I need content for my channel. And then I will be also pre-ordering Assassin's Creed for Odyssey because I'm aiming to get the Medusa edition. I really want to display that. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's Jaro Daily, YouTube, and then don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I also post aesthetic stuff in Instagram if you guys want to see more art. Leave me a comment down below if you guys want to see more PlayStation 4 limited edition, and also if you have played the game, let me know in the comment below and let's talk about it because I haven't actually played the game and I'm really excited just to unbox this shit and then install it right now in my PlayStation 4. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video if you guys want to see more unboxing for PlayStation 4 limited editions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!